Let's melt $300,000 of the scrap gold. We start off by taking all the scrap and pouring it onto the scale. The total weight comes out to about 5,500 pennyweight, or about 8,600 grams. This is just all the gold that we picked up throughout the few weeks. All the magic happens in this crucible. We pour all the gold and wait for it to heat up to about 2,000 degrees. You could see it starts to become more red hot and all the hollow gold starts to condense. Once the gold starts to get liquid, we mix it in with borax, which is a chemical we use to clean the gold from all the dirt it's collected throughout the years. Once the gold has fully melted, we pour it into this large cast. We scrape out whatever was left that we couldn't get out during the pour. Now we rinse the bar and break off all that borax to reveal the gold's true color. All that's left is to take the bar and the borax back to the office to go test its purity. When we reweigh the bar, you can see that we lost about 5 pennyweight, or about 8 grams, but that's the cost of doing business. We drilled a few holes into the bar and used the shavings to test the purity. The gold purity comes out to about 55.8%.